Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today I found a new feature on the MG4. In the previous tutorial videos, I've explained two ways how to power off or how to shut off the vehicle motor and the screen. The first way is to get out the vehicle and lock it. As soon as you lock it, everything shuts off. The second way is go into the system and press the vehicle and go to safety and press power off. And then if you do want to switch off the screen, you just push and hold the home button to switch off the screen. And did you know if you open the door and leave the vehicle, it will shut off automatically. So if you just leave the vehicle running as normal with no ready sign on the dashboard, the vehicle itself will automatically shut off after 30 minutes. And if you keep leaving it as it is, the middle screen will then shut off after another 10 minutes. So totally after 40 minutes, everything shuts off. This is a very short video, but it took me hours to figure everything out and to time everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like to support this channel. As always, I'll see you next video.